Okay, so full disclaimer, as of last week, I own about $2,000 worth of cases. I don't plan to sell them anytime soon. So while I'm optimistic that prices will increase in the next 3, maybe 5 years, I think that 10 to 15 years from now, the market will probably not exist, or if it's going to exist, the prices are going to be way lower than they are today. And I'm going to tell you why I think that's going to happen. Reason number one is player base. The number of active players is correlated to the prices of the skins. The more players you have, the more people are going to be interested in buying the skins, and that's going to increase the prices. So right now we are peaking. We have the most numbers of average players, and the peak players is at an all-time high. That's a great thing. That increases the prices. But my theory is that within the next 5 to 10 years, there's going to be a new game that's going to compete with CS, and it will eat into CS's player base. It doesn't even have to be necessarily better. It just has to be different. So for example, PUBG got launched in 2017, and you can clearly see that it has eaten into CS's player base. So if you look at the chart back then when PUBG got launched, you'll see that it also decreased the prices of the skins. But yeah, the game recovered and the player base came back. New players joined, and that's great. I'm not saying CS is not going to be here 15 years from now. What is really likely to happen is that it will not be as popular 15 years from now than it is today. And if it's not popular, the skins prices will not be worth what they are worth today. So yeah, that's reason number one. Reason number two is the current market cap. As of today, the market cap is about $5 billion. And that's not accounting for the private accounts, private profiles. So I would estimate that the total market cap is probably close to maybe 7 billion. And that is huge. That's a huge market cap. If you look at valuations, for example, the valuation of Valve as a company is around 8 billion. And then it doesn't make any sense for CS's skin market cap to be close to the same 7 to 8 billion. It doesn't make any sense. It's a bubble in my opinion. Another thing about the market cap is the bigger the market cap gets, the more riskier it becomes to invest, because at some point governments will notice, and at the end of the day, this is not a regulated market. This is in a gray area. 12-year-old kids are able to buy and invest in skins, and that should probably not be allowed. So the bigger the market cap gets, it means at some point governments will try to either ban it or disallow it or force Valve to basically take actions. I don't know what that would mean, but I'm assuming they will probably try to discourage people from trading the skins to make a profit. That will probably cause liquidity issues, and they will probably try to ban skin trading websites. And if liquidity drops, there's not going to be a lot of big investors, because realistically, no one's going to invest $1 million. If it takes a month to get all the skins, it's not worth the headache. It's risky. And yeah, not a lot of people will be interested in investing in that. So yeah, liquidity is important. Okay, reason number three. At some point, Microsoft was interested in buying Valve. I don't know if the news is true or not. It doesn't really matter. The point is, if Valve gets sold, so if we take Microsoft, for example, they are publicly traded. Valve is not. So that changes things a lot. There's investors that you cannot do things that are in a gray area. So they will be forced to take actions and discourage trading and do whatever they can to force people to not trade and not speculate on skins prices. That means the skins value will probably drop. On the flip side, Valve is making a bunch of money from people opening cases, people investing in them, trading them, speculating on them, and it's in their interest. They're making $1 billion a year, I think. It's in their interest to keep this thing going for as long as possible. But eventually, the governments will probably force Valve to do something, and I don't know when that's going to happen, but like I said, the bigger the market cap, the more attention it will attract, and it will inevitably happen. So yeah, bottom line, and to summarize, I still think within the next few years, the skins prices will increase and people will probably make money investing in cases and in skins. But as a long-term investment, I still think it's really risky, and I still think that at some point Valve will be forced to change the rules, and that would probably mean the end of skin trading and using skins as a way to invest and make money. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I could be wrong, but yeah, that's my opinion. And yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe, or yeah.